So this is my just the different sensor type of stuff. This one's the photocell. I I mean the way it works is you can start the simulation, and with this you can change the amount of light that the photosensor is getting, and when there's no light, the LED turns on, and when there is light, it turns off, and that's just because of the way we have the wiring set up. And the way the code works is it just says to set the photosensor. The photosensors are variable. Set the photosensor, which is just set X to um, the value that it's getting from the analog input. So like right now it's probably at like 100%. So set photosensor to 100, and right now it's at 0 because it's all the way down there, or it's at 50. It's anywhere in between since it's an analog input. And it says print to serial monitor. That's just down here so you can see what value of light it's getting, but that's not that important. Um, this also says set pin 9 to, and then it says map photo sensor to range 0 to 250. So it basically just changes this green part, just changes like this 0 to 0 and this 100 to 250. So it can set, it can give certain, like, I don't know, just between 0 and 255 of power based off of the range that this is given, just because it has two different ranges and you have to, I don't know, just do the math to even it out and make sure that the two pieces work together. Um, this one, oh shoot. Well, this one I had the ultrasonic thing, but I guess it didn't stay. But this one, I have the temperature sensor, um, and it works in the same way, sort of, where you have it going into the analog, and if I start the code, since it's a varying type of sensor, it has to go into the analog and not a digital port since it's getting a range of things, not just an on and off signal. And so this one you can just change the temperature and you can set it to read a certain amount of degrees just by, I don't know, since it's a virtual thing. But this one's pretty simple. You just put the positive and the negative in and you just set it to tell the board what value out of negative 40 and 125 to read. And yeah, I mean, this stuff's pretty, I think it's pretty easy. I understand it, and that's pretty fun.